Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look. This is my quick and easy everyday look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so if you couldn't tell, we're going to be doing a voiceover today. Please excuse my skin. I just did a peel. It feels really good though. I'm starting out with this Sugar Rose. It's a tinted lip balm by Fresh, and they sell it at Sephora. It's really nice. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Angel Veil. It's the Skin Perfecting Primer, and this is from the drugstore. Of course, it's a great dupe for the Hourglass mineral veil as well. So you want to make sure that you distribute it evenly and get that just melted into your skin. So once you do that, your foundation will go over that nicely. We don't want any patches. So then next we're going to go with the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. It's their matte ink. It is in beige 220 or natural beige 220. And I'm going to be blending that in with my Sigma F80 brush. This brush is my love. I absolutely love this brush. I just washed it, so it's all ready to go for this tutorial. And I like using it because you don't have to use anything else. Like, you don't have to use a beauty blender to smooth it out. Once you finish blending the makeup, it's just blended. There's nothing else to do. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the Maybelline New Instant Age Rewind, and it's for dark circles. And this is in the color medium. And if you couldn't tell, I tore off the little top. There was just like this little bobby on there, and I didn't like it because you waste product. So I tore it off. And now I am using the mini beauty blender to blend that in. And I'm also going to use the concealer. I'm going to use it as a primer for my eyes as well, because like I said, this is something quick that I do every day. And then next I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Charlotte Tilbury powder, and it's the Airbrush Flawless Finish, and I'm in the shade 2 medium, and I'm using my Real Techniques. That's a blush brush, but I absolutely love it for powder. So I just make sure that I absolutely set my T-zone because I get oily, and because it's such a nice and fine powder, I can just put it all over. So next, I guess I'm going to adjust. So next we're going in with brows, and we're going to go in with another drugstore. It's the NYX pencil in medium brown. And you can use this as an eyeliner or eyebrow pencil, but this is my go-to eyebrow pencil. I absolutely love the way it just fills in the sparse area of my brows. I do have thicker brows than most people, but as you age, you lose hair, and you lose hair on your brows. So I just use that to kind of fill in and shape them up. And lately I feel like every person who waxes my eyebrows takes more and more off, and they pull more out, which is really disheartening. So since I've moved to Hawaii, I don't have one person that does my brows. So anywho, what we're going to do next is we're going to do the Give Me Brow in number 3. And I really like this because this adds a little bit of hold as well as a little bit of coverage and thickness. So you didn't have to watch both. All right, let's get going with the Peanut Butter Jelly palette, and it smells amazing, guys. If you guys have not smelled this is by Too Faced. It smells delicious. And I'm going to be using my Sigma brush, and it is the little taper blending brush. This is, I'm not sure if they have these anymore, but now Sigma has some really good brushes. So we're just going to swipe that on as the transition color. And like I said, this is my you know, everyday kind of something I do really quick. So I'm not going to be super precise. It's not like I'm doing, well, I'm doing a video, but if I'm just here every day, I'm not doing a video. So this is how I put on my makeup. And then I'm going in with my other Sigma brush. It's an E25 blending brush. And I changed my mind on the color. But yeah, so I'm just going to put that color all over the lid. And the Too Faced eyeshadows are super duper awesome, super easy to work with. If you make a mistake, it's easily fixed, and they blend out beautifully. So yeah, if you can't tell, I'm listening to music while doing my makeup, which I normally do. And then we're going to go in with the Luxie brush, and this is a the 231 Luxie, and it's a small taper blending brush. And I really like this one because it's got a little head, I want to say, or a little bristle, so you can be super precise with this, and you can just get it in the corners, and then also use it to do underneath your lash line. So you can use it for both. So that's what I love. And then we're going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill brush, and it's the JH39, and we're going to put that light color, we're going to put it in the tear duct. But I decided that I didn't like that, so I got out my Brow Gal and I used the lightest side. I really love this Brow Gal product. It's super awesome, and it blends really nice, and it works just like a highlighter, but not a sparkly highlighter. And so next we're going to get the Sephora eyelash curler. This is my favorite, in case you didn't know. I think it curls your eyelashes perfectly, but you know, whatever works for you, you use that eyelash curler. And then we're going to go in with the other NYX eye pencil, and this is just for eyes, and it's in dark brown. So I'm just darkening up the lash line, which I really like because it helps make your eyes pop when you're wearing lighter shadows, and it defines your eyelashes. So that's what I do. That's why I do that. Who doesn't want their eyes to pop, right? So next we're going to go in with the Dynamic Duo, which you guys have to know. Like, if someone were to ask you, if you are my subscriber, and ask you what I wear on my lashes, you have to know by now. So I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer, which I swear by. I mean, come on. It adds just thickness to your lashes, and it almost works as, I want to say, a glue, but yeah, it just hugs your lashes and makes them thicker. And so when you put on your mascara, then it's like 2 times thicker. I don't know, that's the best that I can explain it. But now I'm going in with my Flower Beauty Lash Warrior, a mascara I didn't think that I would really like because it's a very wet formula, and I normally don't like wet formulas, but I really like this. Even by itself, I like the Lash Warrior, but it's better with the primer. All right, so now I'm going in with my Hourglass, and it is the Ambient Lightning Edit Palette, and it's the Unloaded. And I'm going in with the blush, and it's super pretty. And I'm not going to be contouring or bronzing or anything today, just because I don't do that on a daily basis. But I do wear highlighter every day. So high points of the cheekbone and top of the lip. Yep, it's a must. Gotta do it. Now I'm going in with the MAC lip liner, and it's in Strip Down. This is my absolute favorite lip liner of life, if I can say that. I can. I just love it. I think it's life. So yeah, this is matte stripped down, and you guys know that I am a lip liner girl. And because we've been using Dose of Colors, I'm going in with the Dose of Colors Desi times Katie, and it's from last year, and it's in No Shade. And it is quite light, but mixed with the liner, it's beautiful. And then I'm going to put in, finally, the lip gloss that I'm scraping the sides. And so that's the Desi Katie collection, and it's over the top. And I'm kicking myself because I probably should have ordered an extra one for me. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is my everyday go-to face that I put on really quick. I don't always do eyeshadow every day, but when I do, I reach for something quick and easy and that I love. So anyways, everything that I use will be down in the bottom bar. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments section. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.